What the fuck is with this light? Joey Freedom. Sharp as a bowling ball, huh? With this fucking light. I'm trying to position myself so that the light. No, it doesn't matter where I go. Maybe I'll do this. I don't know why it's doing that, but whatever. I'm about to go full screen anyway. Fuck. Hopefully we don't go above the VWAP. I have a feeling we're going to. It's just ranging around. This one account is not, it's not like getting killed. It's just not looking fantastic. Out of the 12, what are you going to do? All right. It's not bad. I mean, I was down as much as fucking like 900. And then I came within, I was actually up like 70 or 80 bucks and I didn't take it. I got in around here. What time did I get in? 9:42.50 at 12:27. So I went down a bunch, and then for a minute I was up, and I didn't take it. I could have taken 3 points, and then all of this happened. So I was down a bunch. I was playing for like a rejection, and then to go back down to, we never quite hit the bottom orb. I was playing a bottom orb bounce on this fucking, look at this candle. I mean, that's the hourly, but we dumped all the way down here. I was hoping for a rejection. And then it would come back down to the bottom orb, and it never quite happened. And that's when I got caught in this fucking trade. So what up, traders each? What's good? So that's what's been going on. I flipped. I didn't have to trade my 100K Take Proper Trader account other than to flip. So that's what I did. I flipped. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out. Here it comes. I'll move it up a little bit more just so I could get stopped out for more of a loss, but whatever. I can work this back. I just need to get out of this trade and then, get back into a trade. So it is what it is. But I was down a fuck ton. I came all the way to within like I was only down like a buck 60, a buck 80. And then it fucking bounced. I was hoping for the continuation, but it didn't happen. It's the only account that's fucked up. All of these other accounts are looking fucking good. But this one's got some work to do. But I have plenty of drawdown because this one's up 4,200 bucks. This one, started the day up 4,300 bucks. So like I could lose. Well, I'm not going to let it get that far, but I could, technically lose like 1,300 bucks and still, before I violate the fucking bullshit 30% of unrealized losses against your drawdown. So, but I'm not going to let that happen. I'll just regroup, look for another setup, and fucking, I just have a feeling like I'm going to get fucking taken out here and then it's going to fucking dump. I probably should have just taken the L here, at like minus 160 to 200 and then fucking maybe gotten long here or whatever, but we'll see what happens. That's my focus. Because I flipped this account. This is the 100K that I passed. This is the 4th day. So I have one more day of flipping, which is tomorrow, Tuesday. And then Wednesday, this will be a funded 100K Take Profit Trader account. The Trading with Travis account too, by the way, which is awesome. Yeah, I don't know. This thing wants to go up. It wants to go up. I'm just going to focus on this account probably the whole fucking stream. Although maybe I should wait to fucking trade this account until New York, but I don't know. I'm kind of fucking hell bent on fucking getting this thing back to break even. So this is the account that got denied, but I got denied because I violated the 30% consistency rule. I probably violated other rules too, but the 30% consistency rule was the main reason. But I wanted to clear out the other violations. I wanted to clear out the other violations in case there were any, because I can't keep track. I have 12 fucking funded accounts. I don't fucking remember. I don't remember. I don't know. I'm just fucking out here trading. Look at all these accounts. They're all looking fucking amazing. Like this one right here. I just pushed this one over. So I'm going to request another payout. We'll see what happens. Maybe I violated the rule. Maybe I didn't. Whatever. We'll find out. But then I'll just get my clean days in and we'll call it a day. I'm waiting on requests. Coach Singh, what up? K9, what's good? DB Nail. Yeah, I'll be trading. Yep, I'll be trading. My wife's going to be out of town, and my daughter, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. They're going to a fucking concert in Norfolk, Virginia. I don't know. It was my daughter's bright idea. And, they're going to be gone. They'll be flying back in around noon on Thanksgiving. So I'm going to have my hands full for a couple of days between the 3 other kids, the 4 dogs, but I'll be trading. Is the market even open at all on Thanksgiving? If it is, I'll be up. Like if it's open at all, it's going to be like a half a day. So I will be fucking trading earlier. Alex, what up? That's it, man. That's all I'm trying to do, Alex. That's all I'm trying to do is get this fucking money. I'll keep playing the game. At some point, these will all be undeniable as long as I don't blow them, right? That's what Apex wants. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped out. Here it comes. You guys ready? What? Just fucking do it already, man. Stop me out, and then I can wait for the next setup. I didn't want to add to this trade because I just don't know. First of all, I'm in 2 already. I started with 2. I just don't know if let's say if I would have added 2 over here, around here, and I was in 4 and I got this drop, I would have gotten out of this trade in real good shape. But I don't know if I would have violated the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio on the original 2 fucking minis that I got in. That's the part that I'm fucking confused about. And nobody seems to know. And I just said, fuck it, I'm not going to risk it, because I got to grow this account. Not only did I have to get the clean days in, but I have to grow this account to $5,247 in profit. So I'm kind of cutting into that. I'm making it harder on myself, but whatever. I have time. I just, I'm just waiting to get stopped out of this fucking position. So hopefully any minute now I'll be getting stopped out, or it's going to fucking dump and give me what I want. I doubt it though. What's up, Granny? No. What up? What up, Trading Star? So, yeah, come on, just fucking do it already, please. I guess I could have got stopped out a lot sooner, but I keep raising my stop to see if it has another dump in it. I don't think it does. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know if it's going to. Now it's going to dump. Watch this. Watch me get top ticked. You guys ready for the top tick fucking? Here we go. Already 2 points. 2 points. Maybe not. But I mean, this is what pretty much. There's definitely a little bit of opportunity in here, but just sideways for a while. And then we had this drop going into fucking. It was not even going into London. It was like after London Open. This was the London Open. Like nothing happened. It looks like it wants to sweep the highs. The high a day. I don't know. What's gold doing? Is gold more tradable than this shit? Gold rejected off the 707, dropped like a lot of ticks. Dropped like 1,600 ticks or some shit like that. I don't know. That's where I'm at. That's what I'm doing. I'm not even mad about this. It's just like whatever. Actually, what I have to do though is let me do this too. Let me make sure all of these other accounts don't have any open fucking trades. What up, GMAT? Yeah, that's all from today. What's up, Marco? That's all today. Basically the last couple of hours. All that green except for one account, which I was green for a split second. And then look. Here we go. And then I was down big, and then I came within like I was only down $160, and then it fucking went back up, and I finally let myself get stopped out. But now I feel like I'm about to get fucking top ticked. It just has that. Oh, what? One position and their orders of 115. What? I'm in a position on 115. It's not even moving. Hold on, I gotta look and see what the fuck's going on with that account. Yo, this account's fucking crazy. Look at 109. It's at 55,000. That account's fucking wild. All right, 115. It said it had an open position or order. Let's see what the. Oh shit! I was in a fucking position. Oh my god! I forgot to close an order, and I'm long. You fucking cocksucker. Oh my god. Visible ID, what up? On Thanksgiving? All right, cool, man. Thanks for the heads up, bro. Yeah, so I'll fucking stream in the morning like earlier. Damn, look at me getting fucked. Now, oh, now I really needed to sweep the highs. I don't even need that much. Fuck me. I didn't even fucking notice I was in a fucking. Oh, well, there goes all my gains. You fucking cocksucker. Watch this shit fucking drop. Look at this. Look at the fuckery. 115. What's the other one? 112 is the other one I was just in. When did I get taken out at? Oh my god, I'm getting double fucked right now. I got taken out at 61.75. It's already down 2.5 points. And then I'm in this other one that I got filled in, and I gave back all my fucking gains. I was up. Fuck me, man. Oh my god. $115. I think 115. I have an open fucking payout request too. Not that it was going to get approved because I'm pretty sure I violated the 30%. I think this is the one I violated the fuck out of the 30% consistency rule, but I requested anyway to clear out any other, to clear out any other violations that may be maybe on there too. Yeah, this one I had this one I had a day where I did $2,072. And the only reason I did that is most likely because I violated the shit out of one of the fucking rules. I was like, fuck it. Let me grow the account anyway. It's not going to matter. So now this account, that fucking blows. We'll see what happens. But look, this is the most disrespectful shit ever. I got taken out of 61.75 and went up a little bit higher, and now it went down fucking 4 points. What was I down as much as? Let me forget about that account. Let me just fucking focus on this for now. So I went down this much, 8 fucking points. I don't even know if I'm like, if I'm doing this whole 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio correct. But I feel like I need to be, I need to get out of this. If I could get out of this for a win, I need to get out with more than $64 if it comes back up. But I don't know if it's going to. I feel like I'm getting fucked right now. I feel the fucking coming on. I already got fucked. I forgot to close out the fucking, I forgot to close out the order. I had an order that was open that I forgot to fucking close out. Remember, I was going through all these. I completely forgot to close it out on one of them. And now look what happened. I gave back all my gains. So I was up, what, a little over $200. Let me look at the fucking Discord because I posted the screenshot. 115. I was up $208 and then forgot to fucking close out the order. And then now look at me. Ugh. Gross. Gross, gross, gross. Disgusting. The fuck is gold doing? Nothing. I mean, it was moving. I mean, it fucking moved a lot, actually. It moved a lot. But I got other issues I need to fucking resolve. You gotta be fucking kidding me. So fucking pissed. That's why I do. You see what I did there? Like I went through all of these and just said, exit all positions, cancel all. I just didn't do it in time with this one. And then look what the fuck happened. I mean, I could have exited the position. I didn't. By the time I figured out what the fuck was going on, it was already like starting to be fucking out of control. I just didn't. I thought maybe I would get a bounce, and it just keeps going down. So 360, awesome. How much fucking further is it going to go down? I mean, we got the 34s here. We got the fucking 5-minute 21 EMA here. Like, are we just going to blow through that? Like, it doesn't matter. You got the top orb right here. Where you got VWAP in the top orb right here. Jeez. So I don't fucking know. I'm kind of annoyed right now. There's nothing I can't, trade my way out of, but man, I didn't want this to happen. And I know it's going to happen. I'm going to put a fucking stop in. And it's going to fucking take me out right at my stop. Like, look, this shit's already down fucking over 4 points from in the other account. The other account, I got taken out at 61.75. It's 4.5 points. It was actually about 5 points. There's 5 points. Can't make this shit up. This shit only happens to me. I'm telling you. There we go. There's a VWAP. Is the VWAP even going to matter? Probably not. You fucking piece of shit. I don't know, Snahil. I have no idea with that shit. I don't trust them, and I don't trust their fucking bullshit fucking trade viz software that they use to analyze, to go through your trades and see if you violated any fucking rules. I don't trust it as far as I could throw it. So I'm trying not to fucking violate it. I'm trying just to be clean and perfect. I'm trying to be perfect. A perfect little trader. And shit like this happens. Like me fucking not fucking closing out all my fucking orders. And now I'm trapped in this fucking trade. But what's funny is I got stopped out on this account at 61.75. It went down fucking 8 points. I would have loved to have fucking had 8 points. That would be 300. Instead of it being 786, it would have been like $400. But now it's bouncing, so we'll see what happens. I just want to get the fuck out of this trade. I hope it bounces all the way up and fucking takes me out. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to play a fucking game of let's not give a fuck. Right here. One, two, if it even comes up that far. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just going to chill. What up, Dildzik? What up, trader guy? Marcine in the house. What's the rule, Jay? Which one? You got the 30%. The only ones you got the 30% of your available drawdown and unrealized losses. That's one rule. If you go over that, it's a violation. The other rule is the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And I feel like DCAing into a losing position is a fucking trap that will somehow be misread by this bullshit software as a violation. If you even if you come out of the trade a winner. So I just don't want to fucking add to it. I don't know. It's just one of those things. What up, Hello Corpian? What am I doing for Thanksgiving? Probably going to my. I'm pretty sure I'm going to my mother-in-law's house. She lives out here in Vegas. So my wife's going to be in Virginia with my oldest daughter. They're going to a Pierce the Veil concert. I don't know why they're going all the way there, but it was my daughter's idea, and she's dragging my wife along with her. And they're going to be gone from Tuesday. They're going to literally be flying back on Thanksgiving. So hopefully there's no delays or anything like that. But yeah, once they fucking when they come back, we go to her mom's house and hang out there. That's what we usually do. My wife's stepfather cooks like such a good fucking turkey. I don't even like turkey, but his turkey is off the hook. This guy knows how to cook. What up, Cashol? Des Charu, what up? You know what, Des? Repeatable offense. That's bullshit. I remember, yeah. I think you're referring to the video that fucking Jan made, where he's like, if it happens once or twice, you'll be okay. It's not going to be, you don't have to worry about it. But if it's like it becomes like a recurring theme, and you do it, more than it becomes like something that just happens often. Yeah, you're gonna get in trouble. They're fucking dinging people for violating it once. You violate that shit once, you're not going to get approved. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. I don't fucking trust John. I don't trust that motherfucker. Do you guys trust Jan? Do you trust either one of those guys, Darrell or John? I don't. What up, Tiago? Just ain't right. What's good? Yeah, you're referring to the video. I don't think anybody that fucking reviews these payout requests got the fucking memo, because that's not what's happening. Also, I really think the rule that the dark horse in all of these new rules is the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I think that's the one that you guys got to fucking be careful of. I think that's where people are getting fucking in trouble, myself included. So I'm trying to fucking figure out how to avoid that. Nobody really knows I don't know. No one even could even. Do we even know exactly? I don't know. I might be misinterpreting the rule altogether, but I'm approaching it the way I see it, and we'll see what happens. Just chilling, Tiago. I fucked up this trade. I was up 200. Look, I posted it in Discord. I was up $208 in this account. I forgot to close out a fucking order. I gave it all back, and now I'm down fucking $64 in the account on that specific account. The only one I had that was fucked up was this one. I fucked this one up just before. So hopefully I could get out of this fucking trade. And then I could get back to working on the other one. I'm in my Apex account. I hope nobody comes in here and fucking castrates me for fucking trading in my Apex account. Holy shit, God forbid I fucking trade the accounts I pay for. But I don't know if you've seen some of the comments on my videos, because I've been posting, like, keeping people up to date about what's actually going on with my Apex account, with all the shit that's going on, all the drama. And people are like, you don't know why are you trading this? People are like questioning my integrity because I'm trading my Apex accounts that I fucking paid for. Especially I'm paid in full on all these. I paid $85 one time. Why the fuck wouldn't I? Look at all these accounts. Look at how good they are. Look at this one's up 5,500. This one's up $5,200. 53.15. This one was up 4,200. This one was up 4,400 or something like that. This one's up 2,600. This one I just pushed over. I'm going to request another payout. This one's up 2,800. This one's up over 4,000, but I don't know. It's in fucking trouble now. Or it was up over 4,000. Because it just can't get over this fucking level. You know, these 1500. Look at all this shit. Oh, let me just walk away from that because I'm mad at Apex for denying my fucking payouts. They're not going to be able to deny me forever. Yeah, you have to have it set a certain way. What's up, Aussie Trades? You have to have it set. There's like a setting, and I don't even know how to fucking do it. I think it's bracket trading. I don't even fucking know. But or something like this. I don't fucking know. ATMs. Maybe it's this. Take profit and stop loss. Like I have no idea. I don't know how to set that shit up. But this is a perfect example of why you got to make sure you go in and fucking cancel all your orders out after you are happy with where your account's at for the day. Yeah, OCOs. Yep. I don't even know where that is. You know what I mean? I have no idea where the fuck that is. It's way above my fucking pay grade. Thanks, Aussie Trades. Yeah. You know, and yeah, obviously I'm an affiliate of Apex, okay? Like we all know that. But I also have a fucking lot of money invested in Apex as a fucking trader. And I'm fucking, you know, that's one of my fucking goals is to pay off my tuition. Damn, this is fucked up. I can't believe this is happening right now. And you know what's the worst part about this? The worst fucking part about this is the fact that I got taken out here, and I knew this was gonna fucking happen. I got taken out at 61.75. It's down fucking 10, almost 10 fucking points. That's $400. I'd only be down what? $386. Fuck, man. So I'm getting like this like double fuckery right here. Double fuckery to $530. I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna fucking put a stop here and it's gonna bounce because this is an area, this is like a good area of support here, and then it's gonna go all the way fucking up. And I'm getting like, you know, it's just torture. Torture, torture, torture. With that said, is it gonna bounce here? Let's fucking fuck around and find out, shall we? It's fuck around and find out time. We got a higher low here, hopefully. Oh, wait, I don't want to do it here. Not on that account. I'm in enough with that account. We got a higher low. Let's see what happens. Like, I don't need to get $786 back right now. I'll take like 200. I just don't want it to fill me and then fucking reject, because that would happen right now, the way things are going. People needing hard stops for Apex. Well, here's a hard fucking stop. There you go. I just don't want to get hit. I'm going to get a hard stop and then I get fucking hit. I don't think that's the issue. I don't even know. Improper risk. I guess if I don't fucking put a stop in, that's improper risk management. Who the fuck knows, Cali boy, man? Nobody fucking knows. What up, Bailey? Yeah, they don't want you bracket trading, which is what protects you from fucking. What up, Angel? The Oso is only one, the Dom. Okay. Yeah, I don't have the Dom on here. I don't even. I tried putting, you know, people suggested I put it back on the chart. I just didn't like the way it looks on the way. All right. What the fuck happens if I could get some money back on this other account? I'll chip away if I can. Let's see if it lets me. Well, I was up, what, $80? Is it just not going to let me? Am I just? Is this just how the rest of my overnight's going to go? The rest of the stream's going to go? Just me being fucking aggravated by this shit? This is pissing me the fuck off, man. Fuck. Yeah, I had the fuck. I tried putting I took the Dom off a long time ago. It was just in the way. I just want to see the charts. And there's really no other place you could put it other than on the right-hand side or the left-hand side, and I just don't fucking like it. Yeah. Yeah, man. They changed the game on everybody. You know what's happening? We're all getting better as traders. So they gotta fucking stay ahead of us. They gotta stay one step ahead at all times. And then as soon as we all figure out the game, as soon as we all figure out the game again, they're gonna fucking, make new rules. Look at Top Step. Everybody thinks Apex is the only fucking, fucking prop firm changing rules. Top Step just really fucked over everybody. If you have one single live account, you can't have the other XFAs. That's fucking crazy. You know how much money they're not going to have to pay out with that? Total cash flow move. Maybe it's a regulatory rule. Maybe it's a regulatory related move. Maybe it's both. But either way, that's a fucking game changer for Top Step. I wouldn't even. What's the incentive of having a live account with them at that point? If you have to dump all of your XFAs that they let you have, now all of a sudden you can't have them. You can't even have a combine if you have a live account. Marcin, 100%. X futures. How are my payouts? I don't know. I got a few requests out there. A few more requests. I just got another account into requestable territory. This account. Which one did I request a payout on? 115. Yeah, I have a payout request out for 115, but I know it's going to get denied because I violated the consistency rule, the 30% consistency rule. I had a day. What did I do? I did $2,000 in one day with that account. Yeah, 2,072 in one day. So I know I'm going to get. I know it's violated. You know, I'm just getting. I wanted a request in case I had any other violations, which I'm pretty sure I did. I'm pretty sure I violated the 30%, the other 30% rule. Oh, take me the fuck out. Let's go. Yeah, this is what I want to do. I want to chip away at this deficit here. Keep going. Come on, hit it. Let's go. Keep going. Don't be a little bitch. Hit it. Oh my God. It was right there. 5 ticks away. Let's move this up. Let's move this up. Lock in fucking gains just in case it decides to go the other way. As soon as I let go of this, it's going to come hit it and then fucking pop. But whatever. I'm locking in gains. I'm fucking, I got to chip away at 700 something dollars. What was I down? $786. Maybe it'll take me out. Oh my God. One. Let's hit the other one. This is good for the other account too. Oh, let me pay attention to this one. What's going on with this one? Oh my God, is it fucking green? Oh, it was green for a split second. Come on, keep going up. Get the fuck over this wick and fucking push to the higher day. Did I just get taken out of the other one? Yeah, I got taken out. That's okay. Now I'm only down $517. So I got $270 on that. I'm okay with that. Now I can all right, let me make sure I close all this shit out, right? Everything's out. Exit all positions, cancel all, quadruple, triple, double check. Now I got to go back to 115 and see if I could get the fuck out of this trade. I was down a bunch. What was I down? 14 fucking points. So I feel like with the risk, I could be wrong reading the risk to reward ratio, but if I was down $550, let's say I was down 580 with fees, I feel like I need to be up more than $116 when I get out of this trade. So, that's the plan. Let's see if it pushes through. Let me put a fucking stop in here just in case. What up, Canute? Mikey Souls, what up? What move? Yeah, yeah, with Top Step, yeah, I think it's a little bit of both. You also have Bullonox changing rules. Bullonox changed rules. I don't know exactly. One of them was you can't copy trade across multiple prop firms. Like you can't have like in I don't know what Rhythmic. What is it? Ninja Trader or whatever. Let's say it's Ninja Trader or Quant Tower with Rhythmic. You can't have. I can't trade my Apex accounts at the same time I'm trading my Bullonox accounts in that copy trader, whatever the copy trader is that I end up using. That's a new rule. And then, oh shit, this fucking thing's gonna let's go. Let's fucking go. And then come on, keep pushing, keep fucking pushing a little bit more. Do it for the stream. Do it for the stream, baby. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Oh, come on. Come on. Sweep the highs. Sweep the high. Sweep the leg, Johnny. What was it? Oh, and I don't know. They changed some other rules though, like some actual like trading related rules. I don't know what it is. Yeah, like I'll do it. Like, if I get to the point where, like with Take Profit Trader, for example, I earn, I get to that point, I'll fucking do it. But I'm not just gonna, you know, only trade a live account. That's fucking stupid. They still give you some of the money. They fund it though, but at the same time, I don't know. Top Step just dropped a rung, and I mean, I never was a huge fan of Top Step anyway. Um, but there's no incentive. Is this really drop? Is this really gonna fucking drop here? What did it go up to? Come on, push, baby. I had 2.5 points. Barely because you got the fucking what's the spread? 2 to 4 ticks. Damn. Don't drop on me. Don't drop on me. Do not come down. Do not come down. Get the fuck back up there. How could you get that close to the highs and not fucking try to sweep them? It got stuck right here. Come on. A lot of slippage. They have a lot of slippage on, JW. They have a lot of slippage on fucking, what up, Cryogenic? I don't know if I said what's up to you, bro. They have a lot of slippage on fucking Top Step X too. I like to refer to it as Top Slip X. But yeah, but like, their rules are very friendly for traders. But now it's like, they went from 3 to 5 XFAs, and then I think that. I think you could only have 3, then they went to 5, and then now they basically going down to nothing if you go live. They're going down to nothing. So at that point, it's like, well, I don't really want to go live. How about I just blow the account and keep my 4 XFAs and keep getting paid from 4 different accounts? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I think it's fucking regulatory related. And of course they position it like, in their emails and when they're going to talk about it, when the coaches and experts talk about it on the streams, they're going to say, "Oh, it's for your benefit. It's to make you a better trader. So you focus on one account." Yeah, okay. How about I was focusing on one account. I was copy trading them, focused on one big account, people will say. So whatever. Try to spin it any way you want. That's why it's like everybody's so quick to fucking shit on Apex. It's like, look at Top Step just did. Just remember who was the first to change all the rules. Trade Iffy just changed some rules. They just instituted their new rule change. I don't know exactly what it was. I don't care. They changed the rules so they could fucking survive. But they changed the rules to make it harder for us to make money. That's the game. It's a cat and mouse game. Damn, I can't believe I had like $80 here. Can we bounce off this 9 here? We've been fucking riding, kind of trending here, kind of, sort of. Would love to just pump a little bit, take me out of these into the new hour, and then I could fucking get back to work on the other account. I just kind of want to focus on this right now. I'm a one account at a time type of guy. I don't like I didn't like the fact that I was in a position with this account and this account at the same time. It kind of made me like I get a little nervous with shit like that. I don't know. I'm weird like that. What up, Trader JMB? Yeah, yeah. The funded trader. Top Step was a Forex. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. I didn't know that, bro. Yeah, they make it like they're the fucking like they're fucking saints. They literally lose on purpose in their live in-house account. They can't be that fucking bad all the time. They lose on purpose, and then a bunch of idiots, thousands of idiots on their fucking stream don't know any better, and they follow them into their shit trades, and they blow accounts, and then they fucking have to go and buy new ones because we're all degenerates. They know we're gonna buy new ones. They can't be that bad all of the time. You know what I'm saying? Oh, come on, let's go. Push. Take oh yeah. Let me come on. I'm just gonna put that there. I got this one here. Keep going. This is torture, man. Just fucking do it already. Come on. Come on, buddy. Go ahead, Johnny. Go ahead, little Johnny. You can do it. It's gonna do it. Do not come. Oh, I'm gonna come. Let's go. Oh my God. And like I'm not taking the 90 because I'm pretty sure that would violate the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So I need more than 90. I need like 120 minimum. The Top Step X is hella fucking slippage. Calvin, what up? Yeah, I know about the funded trader, JW. Fuck, man. Just do it already. Come on, do it for the stream. Come on, just give me a quick little fucking dildo candle. Come on. Come on, little Johnny. Come on, little Johnny. Just hit the high a day. Hey, I'm gonna put this right at the fucking high a day. How about that? I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot. But I need more than like 90 and I need more than 90 and 100. I need like 130, 120. Just remember, they didn't. They if they were so good on the floor, they'd still be on the floor, right? Think about that. Why are none of them on the floor anymore? Yo, just ain't right. My fund futures got rid of that. Yeah, they did. He was honest and he said it was we were losing money on it. I respect that. The math and the math for him. You know, they exist to make a profit and it wasn't profitable for them. What up, Renier? Trader JMB. Yup, for real, bro. Yeah, that's why they got rid of it. Just ain't right. Oh my God, you fucking get the fuck up there, you fucking cocksucker. Let's go. Hit it. Did you guys just fucking see that? It's right. It was right on the fucking order. Come on. Just take me out of one and I'll fucking move my stop right up to that same spot on the other one. Come on. Come on. Stop being a little fucking bitch. Thank you. There. Done. All right. I got out of that fucking shit trade. Done. Game over. And this is up even more now. What is that? 115? 115. Up 382 bucks. I need to get that shit to fucking. This is the one. Hold on a second. Ain't playing with me no more, son. Oh, that was fucking great. Now I can focus on go back to 112 where the players dwell, right? And then see what the fuck I could do here. Let me go back and flip it to 2. I am finding, like, although, you could get into trouble trading with too minis, but I'm finding if I'm right, if I'm seeing the charts right and I get the fucking right move, I don't need a lot of points to get in and out and be fucking done for the day. Renier, what up, kid? Don't fade me, Marcin. Yeah. Did I manage the risk properly as trading star? Who the fuck knows? That's about as good as I can manage fucking risk. How about you? How about they fucking look at all this green again? Fuck that. They're gonna be paying me at some point. Yeah, so this what number was that? 115? 115 had a day where I did 2,072. So it was 2,072.50 actually, to be exact. Divided by 0.3. I need to build this account to $6,909. 115. 115 is at 4,332. So what do I have to get to? 6,909 minus 4,332. I need another 2,577 bucks. Is it doable? I think so. Whatever. Whatever, man. Look, I got it at a good time, a good spot. Very good spot. What was that? 115? Look at that. I actually top ticked the NQ for once. It's usually the NQ top ticking me. I top ticked you, motherfucker. Suck on these nuts. JT, what if they're all owned by one clearinghouse? Very possible. I don't think they are, though. I think the clearinghouses, I think the CME and all these fucking, the feds and all this shit, they're not getting enough money. They don't have enough. They're not getting any piece of the action because what percentage of us prop firm traders were what are we really doing? We're sim trading, right? So what percentage of us actually go on to have a live account? Very small percentage. Very, very small. D, D. Bro, I guess it's so they're like a dime a dozen over there. Well, you said you're in Thailand. That's fucking funny, bro. He'd rather hang out with a bunch of degenerates. Have I checked out Phidias? Yeah, I've heard of Phidias. I don't have anything bad to say about them. I'm good on that for now. I got my hands full. I got 12 Apex PAs. I still have these fucking evals that I want to either pass or smash before the fucking rebuilds come through. I want to cancel these. Oh my God. Look, I got out of a great fucking spot. Great spot. And then I'm about to have a take profit trader funded account. I'm just in flip mode, right? I'm in flip mode because I passed this in 2 days. Like exactly 3,000 on day 1 and 3,000 on day 2. And then I have this 150K that I'm working. This one's like basically halfway there. And then I have a funded trade day account, which is still just sitting in limbo. It's in a holding pattern because they're waiting on me to create another Rise account because they're fucking annoying. They wouldn't let me use my other Rise account because it wasn't the same email address that I used to create my account with them. What kind of fucking bullshit is that? But it's got to be tied to the CME and all this and linked and this and that. I'm like, change it in the database in the back end. Just let me change my fucking email address on my profile. And then send me the invite again. How fucking hard is that? You guys are making it out like it's this fucking special fucking secret thing. But whatever. That's how I already paid for my funded account. So I got my hands full, bro. And I'm working on my funded futures account too. I mean, I just got paid a couple times by them. I got paid for the second and third time by them like a week and a half ago. And now I have this account that's, what is it, $2,300 away from being a funded 100K account, starter account. So I don't need any other prop firms right now. And I fucking dabble with Top Step on and off. So I've basically, my hands are full. That's a nice little bounce I could have caught for fucking 4 or 5 points. Whatever. Did they really? Oh, I can't wait for that to happen. I can't wait for them to fucking ban me so I can make videos about them banning me. Apex charged you for an account that you thought you closed already. Chargeback coming soon. What up, Coach Franny? Why not just trade that account and fucking pass it? Yeah, they definitely they used a certain tone when they were communicating with me. That's for sure. The CEO and the co-founder used a certain tone with me in the emails about this whole Rise thing that I wasn't very let's just say I don't like being talked to a certain way, and I was feeling very close to being talked to a certain way by this motherfucker, you know? So, we'll see. He was like, "Look, what's the problem?" What do you mean, what's the problem? I told you what the problem was. I don't want to create another fucking Rise account. But everybody does it. It's not that big of a deal. It's like, well, maybe I didn't want to. Maybe I'm perfectly fine with the RiseWorks account that I have now because it's tied to my company. Now I got to use a different fucking tax ID, aka my personal fucking social security number. I didn't want to do that with. So now I have to, or I have to form another company, which I don't want to do either. But I'm what's up, Singularity? I'm willing to play the fucking game. I just don't want to be talked to a certain way. I can tell you that much, in case you haven't noticed. They already got my money anyway. No. Although maybe I'm violating some fucking rule with that too. I don't even want to talk about it because I don't want people to call the feds on me. I do have LLCs though. He's talking about trade day. And they're not a bad prop firm. They're just not sexy. You can only have one account. Um, it's a lot like Take Profit Trader, but there's no daily loss limit. It's end of day drawdown on funded accounts. You can get paid every single day. But yeah, they'll push you into live once you get a certain amount of traffic and then profit. And then like they definitely want you trading a certain type of way there. They don't want you to be a fucking degenerate. So now I got to work. Is this the new? All right, we got the new hour. I'm in 115. I got to go back down. Let me just make sure I don't have any open fucking trades in this account. Now that all right. So I don't have any open trades anywhere. I got to work 112. Got to work that shit back. I don't know which way it's going to go. I'm going to get more water. I'm probably going to come back and the shit's up like 20 points. I'll be right back. I need more water. Charles Green. Fuck yeah, Charles Green. Good shit, bro. See, look, people do get approved. There it is. I believe Charles. Do you guys believe Charles? People that think they're saving money by fucking going straight to funded are buying those. Some people that think they're saving time as well, but like you have a 20% consistency rule. So you're very limited to how you can trade, but people are getting paid, I guess. Whatever. I ain't fucking with it. I'd rather fucking it's cheaper to all right. Let's just say Apex is perfect and pays on time. All right, let's not even talk about Apex. Let's talk about my funded futures. I could get a 50K starter account for $80, right? Or $76 if I use the coupon code like ZERODAYJay. By the way, I haven't fucking dropped any fucking links at all. They're doing 10% off the 50, 100, and 150K fucking milestone accounts, the straight to funded, and 5% off the evals, the expert and the starter. The 5% off with anybody's coupon code, including mine, and not just mine. It only works on the bank option. But if you want to give whoever you want to give credit for the sale, put their coupon code in anyway. It will acknowledge it, but you won't get a discount if you pay with a credit card, debit card, or crypto on the evals. On the milestone accounts, it will work across any payment method. So there's my link for my fund the futures if you want to support the channel and grab an account. And we'll talk about that in a second. So I do want to talk about that. Let me just get all this shit out of the way because I haven't done it yet at all. Take Profit Trade is still doing their 40% off sale, $0 activation fee. deal, which is my favorite. And then Apex, they're doing 8. They actually put the countdown timer back on. I have a feeling they're going to do something big, like 90% off. They're going to roll out their new fucking straight to funded account that people are saying that they're going to come out with. But right now it's 85. It's 80% off, and the 85 lifetime PA fee has been in play and is still in play. Here's my link for that. Use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. Blah 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 blah. Where's my fucking link? Let me just drop this shit in here. And then I'll talk to you about doing the math on these, like straight to funded versus, playing the eval game. Slay got approved too? Okay. See? What's the fucking problem? It's a pain in the ass. I get it. It's a fucking pain in the ass. You got to be almost perfect. What up, JJ? All right. So let me just drop this in here. I'll read that, JJ. I got to do the math. I got to show you guys something with math with my funded futures. And I need fucking water. Best code for Apex, Take Profit Trader, and my funded futures, and Trade Day. If you want to fuck with Trade Day, 20% off. Just make sure you use the same email address as the RiseWorks account email address. Otherwise, it's going to be a fucking problem. Best code ZERODAYJAY for Apex, Take Profit Trader, my funded futures, Trade Day. It will be for Bullinox again once they get their new fucking deal going or whatever. But that's that. All right, JJ, I'll ask you a question and we'll talk about math with these funded accounts. With some of these funded accounts, $400 for a fucking funded account. All right, you have a 300K funded account. You don't understand the 30% bullshit rules. Am I allowed to lose no more than 30? It depends on your drawdown. Let's say, so on a 300K PA account, you start with a $6,500 drawdown, or what, 7,500? I think it's 7,500. So let's say your drawdown is still 7,500. Don't lose more than 2,250 on a trade. Don't go down in unrealized losses in a single trade. If you go down $2,251, it's a violation. And I don't give a fuck what John said in that video saying, if it happens once, it's okay. Don't worry about it. We're not going to be like that. We're not going to hold it against you. They're holding it against you. Nobody who works at Apex who fucking reviews payout requests got the fucking memo. Only we've seen that video. Nobody else seems to have seen that video that works at Apex. So, I mean, and dude, like, you're trading a fucking on the 300 KPA, like, I don't yeah, you have more room so you could go down more money, but why would you want to go down that much money in one trade? Trade that shit like it's a 50K. It'll just take longer to grow, but trade it like it's a 50K, or trade it like it's 150K. You know what I'm saying, bro? Neeson, what up? Yeah, no problem, bro. JJ. The thing you got to worry more about is the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That rule is the one you got to fucking worry about. Tony Gold, what's good? So, all right, back to this whole, GMAT knows, like, GMAT said you got to use ZERODAYJAYs, you got to use the ZERODAYJAY coupon code because it's got the highest pass rate and the highest payout rate according to the prop firm streets. I can't confirm it with actual data, but the DGen data in the stream chats, in the Discord tells me this is the case. All right, so check this out. Let's talk about this, like, straight to funded shit. All right, for $80, you can get a 50K starter, right? $80. And then there's no activation fee with my funded futures. Zero. There's no activation fee ever with the expert and the starter account. But let's just say we're going to fuck with the starter account. Let's say it takes you fucking four. Let's say it takes you 4 tries. You could fail. You could take 5 tries, right? You could take 5 tries and it's still the same price as who was it? Tick and fucking Tradeify. There's your $400. You could do it in 5 attempts. No activation fee. And all you need is 5 days of $100 or more with a 40% consistency rule, and you could get paid. I don't know. I don't know how good you guys are at trading, but I'm confident in my ability to trade. I feel like I could pass a 50K in 1 and 3, even 1 and 4 at the worst. If I really fucking focus. We're chopping again. Awesome. What an eventful new hour. I guess it's because it's fucking 5 o'clock in the morning on the East Coast. So like you got to think about shit like that. I get it. People don't want, maybe don't want to waste the time. Maybe they're not that good. Maybe they're not that good at passing evals. They just want to go straight to the funded account and take their chances there. I get it. But that's a lot of money to fucking, you blow that account, you're out $400. At least you get, I don't know. I feel like you're getting practice in trying to pass, unless you're just full porting these accounts all of the time when you're trading evals. I don't know. It's not that much better. If it's better, I don't even know if it's better at all. But, they're positioned as such. I don't think they're better. Thank you, Neeson. I'm getting there, man. I'm getting there. Not right, Tiago well, if you're asking about Apex Tiago, it's still the most you could request is 2,000 on a 50K. And then once you get like X amount, I forgot what it is. Once you get past a certain amount of requests, then it's unlimited. And then it's the most you could request on a 150K is 2,750. The most you could request on it's still the same. The most you could request, but the least like you could request the bare minimum is 500. You could cut into your buffer by 500. Yeah, GMAT. I know. I heard about that. Yeah, they kind of got rid of some of the countries or some shit, which sucks. It's unfortunate. Take Profit Trader is really good too. Just the biggest thing you got to look out for with Take Profit Trader is that daily loss limit. What up, Pawn? But JJ Kazi, I did post a video about that. But to be honest with you, I don't even know if I'm if I'm even explaining it right. The 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I guarantee you talk to 5 different people about that rule and you ask them what it is, they'll tell you 5 different things. So my interpretation of it could be completely fucking wrong. So don't take what I say as gospel. But what I am saying about that rule is just be careful. I think there is an issue. I think there is an issue with their bullshit TradeViz software that they run that shit first before they even look at your account with their own eyes. So there's already a bias towards your account one way or the other. You know what I mean? And I think that thing reads that fucking risk to reward ratio incorrectly. In fact, I'm 99% sure that that's what's happening. I think most of the denials are more because of the risk to reward ratio, because the other shit is kind of easy. Like the other shit is like, I hate doing the math and figuring out because I'm kind of loose when I trade. Like you saw me, I was just down what, $560 in this trade. And look, the trade worked out. I was confident in the trade. Did I have to go down why did I have to go down $560 before I got my fucking money? I don't know why, but just the way it goes for me for whatever reason sometimes. That was the other account, 115. But remember, I was down $560 in this trade. I got 90 here. I hope that wasn't a fucking, well, no. I got 90 here and I got 180 on both. I think I got 180. Yeah. I got 180. But I was down $560. I got in at fucking what did I get in at? 65.50 and it went down to fucking 51. Dude, 14 points. I was down $560 plus. Probably like 570 before I fucking got out of the trade and made $180 before fees. So like I'm loose when I trade. I don't know. This could have sucked, right? But it didn't. I just had to wait it out. So that's why I violate the rule. And sometimes I'm just not paying attention. I don't know. Shit happens. Shit happens. You could have been in long here and just got caught in this fucking dump right now. You could have got caught in this dump. And then there goes that rule. You violate the rule. Now you're fucked. You're not fucked. Now you know for a fact that you're going to get denied when you request, but you got to request to clear out the violations, the new rules. And when you violate them, if you violate them, the only way to clear them out is to request and get denied. So I don't know. Some people refuse to play that game. They don't want to, they think Apex is whatever. All the prop firms are trying to fuck you out of your money. They want to win. They're in it to win it. I don't fucking know. Yeah, exactly, AS. Exactly. Dude, what up, man? Exactly. He literally said It wasn't profitable for us. That's why we decided to pull it early. He was supposed to leave it up until like the end of the month or some shit. He's like, nah, getting rid of that shit. They want us to win. You know, the live traders, they'll get a percentage. They make more money on the people that don't go live. They make more money on people like me. Although I'm profitable with my fund of future, so they're not making any money on me really. Aside from people that I might send there that, you know, are still not, you know, getting to the point where they could get payouts, right? But, you know, Apex loves me right now. But I have a feeling once I actually become profitable, and I will, if they don't kick me off the platform for being so open and honest about the situation with their new rules and how I'm getting denied every request so far. I don't think they're gonna kick me off, um, but like once I become profitable, they're gonna put me on probation probably because I feel like that's what they did to everybody so far who's profitable. So I'll cross that bridge when I get there. Um, but I'm not worried about that shit. All I care about right now is trying to get as many of these to a fucking payout as possible. But they look, all these prop firms exist to make a profit. Yeah. That's the only benefit of the straight to funded is that you don't have to you skip the eval shit. But the eval shit is what makes you a better. I don't know. I feel like I don't know. Some of the well, I mean, you know who goes to straight to funded too? It's not just people who have trouble passing evals. It's also people who are just sharks and are really good at fucking trading and don't want to waste the time on the eval when they know they could just go straight to funded and just trade. You know, they're just fucking good. Yeah, what's wrong? Exactly. What up, CT Trading? Bowser, what's good? Exactly. They didn't do anything wrong. Yeah, you're taking too much money out. Yeah, at some point I'm going to become a liability to them. They might let me trade because, you know, I bring them customers. But have I brought them any new customers? I don't know. I might have just taken customers from other people who brought them in because people decided they wanted to use the best ever coupon code ever. I got the goat of all coupon codes, so I just might have you know, encroached on someone that already had them as a customer. I don't know how many new people I brought over. There's no data on it. I don't know the data. CT Trading, Coach CT, Trader J and B. There is some red folder shit going on in terms of your comment regarding the choppy week. I was looking at this before. Nothing today, really. Nothing today. Just this German bullshit. Whatever. Business climate. How dare you? All right. We got consumer confidence, FOMC minutes. This is on Tuesday. New home sales. This should be interesting. That's the 26th, the 27th. You got preliminary GDP unemployment claims, durable goods orders, blah, 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 month over month, GDP, core PCE price index, crude oil inventories, pending home sales, Chicago PMI. And then you got Thanksgiving on Thursday. Obviously, nothing's going on there. You got Black Friday. Nothing really. That's basically it. You got China PMI at night. The market will be closed by that time anyway, until Sunday night. So that's it. Oh yeah, maybe it will be a choppy week. You know, I wasn't even taking into consideration that it is Thanksgiving week. Look at this fucking chop. Is it gonna and just like when you and this is like the worst shit to trade because just when you think it's gonna fucking break, it just goes back the other way. You're almost better off with the chop like this, either sitting it out, right? Don't get in a trade at all. But if you're in a trade right now, you're better off just letting it just chill. Don't let yourself get fucking taken out here, then taken out here, then taken out here. And then because next thing you know, your drawdown is getting fucking you literally eaten away. Tiago, yeah. Hey, whose coupon code do I use when I can't use my own? Nah. If I told you, I'd have to kill you. We'll keep that a mystery. I mix it up a little bit. I mix it up. Oh yeah, oh, it's trading store. Yeah, yeah, it is. Yeah, removing the 25K and being open about why they removed it, that it's not profitable for them, is legit. I mean, that's about as brutally honest as you could get. I mean, that's what you want. You don't want them fucking lying and fucking saying, it's for your benefit. It'll make you a better trader or some bullshit. Use mine. Yeah. The issue is like, even if I were to use yours, like you got to do a certain amount before you can even get paid. Yeah. What am I doing? Reggie, who's Reggie, man? It's late. It's not early. I'm on the West Coast. It's 2 o'clock for me. I'm in Vegas. What are you on the East Coast? A lot of guys are just starting to wake up for like their week. Like a lot of people got to go to work and shit. I catch a lot of people on the East Coast as I'm like mid fucking stream. Yeah, Aussie. Yeah, man. Exactly. I mean, yeah, I got it, bro. Oh, you're Central, so it's 4 o'clock. Oh, damn, you're up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Did you just wake up just because you woke up to take a piss, or like you're up for the day now? Are you taking your fucking mid sleep piss right now and just looking at your phone and you just happen to catch me on the stream? Oh, you work nights. All right, got you, bro. Got you. Yeah, no doubt. 7 a.m. here for Tiago, no doubt. Yeah. Sir. Yeah, I see. I don't like. I want to work this shit back, but I can't. I'm not getting in a. I'm not going in either way right here. This is untradeable. What's gold doing? Is gold more tradable? Not really. I need to zoom in on this shit. This is like brutal. There we go. Now we can see what the fuck's going on here. 8. What the fuck? Oh, that's probably because of a group. I have one group. One of the groups I trade, I copy trade with Apex. It consists of 4 accounts. It's 19. You see the ones that are the same here, 186.40. All 4 of these are in one group and called "Fuck You, Pay Me." Um, and I was trading 2 minis at a time, so that's why you saw 8 there. Because if I want to trade 2 in each of these accounts, I have to put in an order for 8 to get it to split it up and copy trade. Reggie Williams, thank you, sir. I appreciate it, man. Thank you for hitting the super chat. What up, Airboat Rob? Yeah, TJP, man, it's still a very gray area. I'm trying to just I'm trying to I'm trying to like however I interpret it, which I could be completely wrong, completely off on the interpretation and the math or whatever, but I don't know. I just I just got to try to be clean. I mean, I don't know. I just not give I don't I'm doing my you have to give them no zero reasons to fucking deny your payout for 8 days. That's basically it. And we had some people in here got Charles Green got approved. Someone said Slade got approved. I've had other people tell me they got approved. I see it. Like I'm in discords that people are getting approved. Even in my Discord, I see people getting approved. So it's not like this fucking impossible thing. It's just don't violate their bullshit new rules. There's just more hoops you gotta jump through. That's all. That's what I thought too, Coach Calvin. Right? If you're down 500, you have to you have to take at least $100 in profit. You better off, and if you can't, you better off losing money. You better off taking an L for like $80, you know? And then this is where the problem, this is where I think if that's what it is, because that's what I think it is too. The issue is like, what happens when you're in one? What happens if you're in one mini, right? Let's just do, I know you guys, some of you guys trade micros. Let's just do the math on minis. So you're in one mini, right? On the NQ. It's $20 a point on the NQ. That shit goes down 12 points. You have an order because we're allowed to DCA. We're allowed to add to losing positions. You have an order and you add to the loser down here. It's already set. You add, and then it goes up 14 points. And you said, "Oh my God, I'm up $320. I'm getting the fuck out of this trade." The issue was you were down 240 in the initial mini that you were in, the original trade. You were down 240 and you came out of that trade for 2 points. So you got 40. That is that a violation? I mean, if that was the trade, right, by itself, it's a violation. But does the software, does this bullshit software know to treat the trade as a whole, where you added to the position and then you got out for a profit, where you're not in violation of the risk to reward ratio because you were down 240 and then you got out of the trade up 320? How does it fucking know? If that's even what it is, right? How does it fucking know? So the DCA, if you DCA, it's a fucking trap if you're not paying attention to that shit. So the way I'm combating it is I'm not adding. I'm just getting into two at a time, which is I don't advise anybody do. Don't do what I do. I trade. I'm aggressive. I'm a little reckless. I'm not afraid to go down 500, 600, 800 fucking dollars in a trade before I get what I want, or I take the L. But you know, that's the part that we could all get in trouble with, is when you add. If you're gonna add, you better make sure that original fucking order, that original position gets out. You get out of that trade, not violating that risk to reward ratio on that one. Because I feel like even though we see it as a whole trade, and they might tell you that it's okay, it's the whole trade, that software is not reading it correctly. I don't give a fuck what they say. What up, Jack Boom? Technically, it's two trade, yeah. I don't see it as two. I don't look at it as two trades because when I'm fucking watching, when I add, I'm still in the same trade. It's just I added to the trade, but the software doesn't fucking can't tell. Yeah, we get out of profit, but it doesn't necessarily mean that original order, that original mini didn't violate the rule. That's the fucking problem. Yeah. Yeah, mohi mohi. There's a lot of gray areas. And then look, there's 110 of us hanging out in here. What up, chopsticks? Devin, what's good? Oh yeah, I know, bro. I know, Devin. I use it, but at the same time, I don't use it because you know why, Devin? I don't know if you've ever hung out on my streams or watched me trade. If you have, you would know that I am the top tick and bottom tick king, where I get out of a fucking trade for a loss. And as soon as I get out of that trade, let's say I'm long and it fucking goes down against me, I get stopped out, it will fucking bounce exactly where I get stopped out and go back up. Or the opposite. If I'm short, it will go up, I'll get stopped out, and then it'll go down. I am the king of that. So I kind of just stay loose in the trade. You know, I know what happens to other people. I can't be the only one it happens to, but I just feel like I get fucked all the time if I fucking have it too tight of a stop. Jamila, there she is. Yeah, of course they do because look, we none of us really know. It's still fucking there's still confusion about it. After fucking Jan made 37 videos that are fucking 19 minutes long, 37, 27-minute long videos to clarify. You know it's fucking, and then we still don't fucking know for sure. Dan Emmons. Yeah, there's been some very fleeting moments where you can make some money, but it's been tough. You had this drop right here. This was a decent drop though. Keith was hanging out in the fucking Discord when this happened. And then we dropped like what, 30 points, and then we're up what? Not even 40. Couldn't even get up 40 points, and it took like what, fucking 2 hours? Yeah, Jamila, yawn. Exactly. I'm doing what I can though. I flipped my Take Profit Trader account that's already passed. I flipped that shit. So I need one more day to flip, and then Wednesday this will be a funded account. I didn't touch my My Funded Futures account. I want to do that during New York. My goal for the rest of the stream is to try to get this back out of fucking. This was down as much as $786. I got some of it back. I'm done trading all of these. Let me just make sure I don't have any open fucking orders, even though I'm pretty sure I don't. I just want to double check. One by one, because what just happened before, I was literally going through this, and then I got filled on one of the accounts that I forgot to close an order on. I just missed being able to close it out before it got filled, and then that was this one, 115. I was down. I gave back all my gains. I was up like 208. Gave back all my gains. Went down as much as $560 or more in the position, and then I finally got out of it and made $180 on it, but before fees. But that was completely avoidable. I was good with $208, but you know what? 382 is better. It's more gooder. I wish you could do this. Like, I wish I could just hit a button that says select all, right? Select all, and then exit all, cancel all. But you have to do it one by one. Jamila, I don't know. I know Trade Day's talking about one. They keep sending out emails, but those guys fucking, they piss me off. But they are running a deal. I don't know what it is yet, but they said it's going to be their best sale ever. I think Take Profit Traders is going to keep rolling with the 40% off, $0 activation fee. Apex put their account down. So Apex's 80% off sale allegedly expired like a month ago, 3 weeks ago. But the funny part is you could still get 80% off any size eval. The $85 lifetime PA was still in play. Like I got all of these for $85, and most of them I got after the sale allegedly ended. And then they just put the countdown timer back on the site a couple of days ago because it's going to basically expire right before Black Friday. And I have a feeling they're going to do a sale. Maybe they're going to do 90%. I can see Apex doing 90% off. Or maybe they roll out the straight to funded option that the people have been talking about that they're coming out with, and they put that on sale. I don't know. I haven't really heard much. Well, yeah, you could do that too. And that particular account was, so I have, all right, so check this out. I do have a bunch of groups. So risk reward D's nuts is 113, 114, and 116. IRM Denial Gang is 117 and 118. And then we got one more, which is Fuck You Pay Me. And that is, this is brutal. That is 119, 120, 121, and 122. So that's 9 accounts that are in three groups. And then 109 is by itself, 115 is by itself, and 112 is by itself. I don't know why. I think I left those like that because those are all very high up. I guess I could put them. Look at 109. This thing's a fucking. Look at that account. 5,500. It's at $5,200 in fucking profit. This one's even looking good. Even though I'm down 517, it still looks great. Look at this one. 4,000, 4,300, 2,800, 2,600. I just pushed this over. I'm going to request. We'll see if I get approved or whatever. Played a fucking game. This one's almost, if I could have just taken this group another $120, I'd be able to get this one. I might do that. I might trade this group again later and try to catch a quick 4 or 5 points and push this over and then request two more. Fuck it. And then these are at 1,500. These are the brand new ones. These are on like day 3. So, but man, people are like, I don't know why you still trade with Apex. Because look at all these fucking accounts. Why would I walk away from that? What should I do? You know, get mad, say "fuck you, Apex," and blow the accounts. I'm never trading on your platform again. Then they win. I don't understand what some people don't understand about that. What up, Coral? Yeah, yeah, yeah. My bad, Coral. Yeah, yeah. If you're in, yeah. So whatever group, the long answer to your question was, yeah, they're not all in one. I guess I could make a group with all of them in there and do that. You're right, but I didn't even think about that because I'm not that smart. Chopsticks is in the building. Jack Boom. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. You know how many times I've blown accounts. Anytime like I'll hit a daily loss limit, like on a My Fund the Futures account or something, like I'm in long and it goes against me and it hits the DLL. I know it's almost like a guarantee that if I get in long in another account, it's going to go back up. So I do that all the time, and most of the time, it fucking works in my favor. I move on to the next account and just go back in the same way, and like it'll fucking bounce. Or if you're going short and it just pops on you and you fucking get liquidated, I go back in short with another account, and sure enough, it fucking comes back down. But look at this chop. This has been the new hour. Well, 140 and it's 2:30. I mean, it's almost been an hour, and this is what we've done. What is his range anyway? 64. It's a 6 point range for the last fucking almost hour. Yeah, Coach Calvin. Yeah, it'll show 2-1 contract trades without a doubt. So that's where they get you. That's where they could get you. Even if you're like, even if you get out of the trade and you're like, woo, I got lucky on that one, or woo, that worked out. Me adding, DCA gang in full effect, made $300 on the trade, but you violated the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio on the original fucking entry. It's fucked up. Yeah, Tiago. It could be because it's going to be Thanksgiving week. I bet there's not going to be as much volume all week. Maybe Monday. Like maybe when this that's maybe Monday and Tuesday. I would say Wednesday. A lot of those dudes are going to be checked out. Yeah, dumb money trades. Yeah, bro. Damon, what's going on? Yeah, usually the overnight's been really good lately. It's been really good, especially when London opens. When you had this right here, like you could have fucking, forget about catching the short, like, whatever. But it did drop, you know, it dropped 30 points and then it fucking popped right here, bounced, and it worked its way up. It staircased up. It took a while, but man, it did go back up like 30 points and then it came back down a little bit. And now, but even this, like maybe is this gonna break? Maybe. It's been trying to sweep the fucking highs for an hour. Maybe. Maybe it's just gonna go back the other way and go back down 5 or 6 points. I'll be right back. I need water. All right. Oh, look, it fucking I missed a big break. Finally broke out. Went 5 points over the fucking range that it's been in. Of course, as soon as I get up, you're welcome, guys. You're welcome. I finally gave you guys something to fucking do other than listen to me fucking blab. Yeah, Coral. Yeah, I know. Funny, right? You put your payout request in the Discord. Awesome, Charles. You posted in the main section. Oh fuck yeah, man. Oh wow, those are your first ever payouts. That's awesome. That's awesome. You got paid twice on the same account with under the new rules. Holy shit. Great job, man. That's impressive. And you have all that drawdown still too. What size accounts are they? 50Ks? That's fucking great, bro. Oh, that's you? All right, nice. Now watch what I do. Well, I see it here, but I like to put in the notes if someone's name isn't the same. So now I know. Just the fact that I wrote that in will help me remember that that's you, Charles. Yo, that's fucking great. I need to find the perfect gift for that. Mm, let me just go back to the. There we go. There we go. Hey, look. Yeah, let's talk some more shit. Because there's definitely some Apex haters in the Discord. Hey, look. Hey, look. Look, Ma. Look, Ma. Apex paid twice on the same account under the new rule format. Anyway, I can't help myself. I'm a little shit talker. What's the updates on the accounts? Here they are. One account's not looking fantastic, but I'll get that back. Just found myself in a little bit of trouble and I couldn't get out of it, and I didn't want a DCA. Great job, Charles. Super happy for you, man. For real. Is that your first? Are those your first ever payouts as a prop firm trader? Just curious. It's still awesome no matter what. It never gets old. I can tell you that. If you guys want to hang out with the DCA gang, the DGen fam, the IRM denial gang, let me drop the link in here. It's free to join. There's over 800 members in there. Obviously, we don't have 800 people hanging out at the same time. Did I get a payout? I still haven't got any payouts approved yet, Mr. Varma. I'm not even worried about it. I know two to the three are definitely getting denied. I'm just not sure about one of the other ones. Here, I'll log into my account real quick. Tiago, yeah, I believe so. If you go down more than 5 times what you make, I believe that's a violation, bro. Is this thing gonna fucking break out here? It finally fucking made a new high. Made a new high, so I feel like it's gonna drop. Fuck. I'm gonna regret this. Oh man. Come on, give me like fucking I don't even care. I don't even need a lot. I'm gonna chip away at this shit if I can. We swept the high. We made a new high. I feel like we're gonna come back now. Just a feeling. That's all. And I could be wrong. It might just fucking go boom and go up 400,000 million points. But Mr. Varmer, you're gonna have to wait for me to show you my account because I'm in the middle of a trade. I'm not taking my eyes off of this shit until I get out of it. Come on, baby. No, flush it. No. I just have a feeling the way this account is, I might just struggle. This might be just a struggle all day after what I put it through. We'll see though. Maybe I'll get a couple of I'll be able to get out of, get out of the deficit in green in like 3 or 4 trades. I don't know. Really depends on how the price is moving during the day. But I would like to chip away now. I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to because I might there's a good chance I'm gonna be wrong. But I do feel like, because we just swept the high finally. It took fucking hours to get back to the high and sweep it. I feel like I'm gonna get something on this, more than 40 bucks. I'm just worried about the 34s here. So maybe what I'm gonna do, the 34 is always a fucking prime spot for a bounce. Blow through it. Blow through it. Oh yeah. Oh fuck. See that? Oh my god. Yeah, I'll take that. There's one. Oh, it's gonna keep going down. Fuck yeah, keep going. That works. Keep going. This is even better. I hope it keeps going down. Oh my god, yeah. It might take me out though. I have a feeling I'm gonna get taken. Yep. Hey, remember, I was down 786 bucks. Now I'm only down 383. I'll take that. Works for me. It might keep going down, but I'm just chipping away. I don't, the 34s of I'm very sensitive to the 34s because even though we got underneath the 34s, it could just bounce. I do think it's going to go down more, but I don't know if I want to re-enter here. I'll just wait for something better. All right, so I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna hide my fucking screen. Watch this shit dump. I'm gonna log into my Apex account. All right. Oh, look. I mean, yeah, it went down to like another what? 2 points, 2.5 points. But look what just happened. The 34s, man. And you got this area of support here now. The middle of this range, and then like this was like the top end of the range, and it bounced off of that shit. I don't know if it's gonna keep going up, but I'm glad I got out where I did because then I would have to sit through this trade even longer and hope it comes back. I'd have to start smoking hopium. Full port longs, D. Yeah. I'm not, yeah. I mean, yeah, I get it, bro. I get it. What up, Tito? Dildick, yeah, keep fucking going. I wish. I should have started yelling at the screen. Maybe I would have got what I wanted, gotten more, but that's okay. 65, 75, 140 bucks before fees, after fees, 130 bucks, let's say. All right, so here are the PA charts. Here are all of my funded accounts. So this is everything before, this is what the days are like. So I'm on day 9 with 116. I'm on day 11 with 114. Hold on, what did I request on? I requested 114 All right, so I requested 115, 114, and 109. I know I violated the 30% rule on this one, not the consistency rule, the new 30% rule. I know for a fact. So I'm going to get denied, but I want to clear out the violation so I could re-request, so I could try to request again. It'll be the second time. So maybe the third time will be the charm, but I'm going to request $2,000 because it's up there. My balance is way up there. 115, I violated the 30% consistency rule. I had a $2,000 day on that one. So that's why I'm going to get denied. And I've probably violated one of the fucking rules, the new rules. 114, I'm not really sure. This one's just over, as you can see. I don't really know. This one might be fucking clean. We'll find out. I can't keep track of all of these accounts. Whether I'm doing, I'm not fucking doing that shit. I'm not micromanaging my shit. They can micromanage me all they want. I'm gonna do my best to not fucking violate any of the rules. I kind of altered the way I trade these accounts, and that's about all I'm gonna put myself through. And then we'll see what happens because it's hard for me to keep track. I'm not gonna add. That's one thing I'm definitely not gonna do. I don't want to add, unless if I do add, I really got to pay attention to how much I get out of that original order. So no drop down. So there's that. We got 115, 114, and 109 pending. 2 of the 3 are definitely going to get fucking denied. And I told you why. It's not because Apex sucks. It's not because of them. It's because of me. So then we got, look, I just pushed 113 over the $2,600 mark. 113 is on day. What up, Tim? Timmer. Do I ever sleep? Not really. What number was I talking about? 113. Good thing I got out there. Look, good fucking thing. 113 is at 2,600. That's over, and I'm on day 12. So you bet your fucking ass I'm requesting a payout on that. The issue, I'm in a little bit of a, you know what I'm gonna do? Here's what I'm gonna do. I have 116. I'm trading 116, 114, and 113 together, but they all have different amounts. They're all around the same spot because I kind of got them all around the same time or the same time. I don't remember. But this one is $106 away from being at 2,600. So I think what I'm going to do is trade that one by itself and see if I could push it to 2,600. And then I'll request on 116 and 113. Look at that. 9 points. That's like 50 points for what's going on. Like, this price action is so brutal. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take, instead of copy trading all 3 that are in the group together, I'm just going to trade 116 by itself and see if I could catch a fucking quick, 3 points is all I need. 3 points with 2 minis. Good to go. I could have got that right now. I could have got that here. Damn. Wow, there's nothing to the left for a while. Looking at the 4-hour. Ew. Here's the 4-hour. Is this resistance right here? It might be. Or is it going to go up here and go to the fucking top? Go to the fractal. Because you got this gigantic 4-hour candle right here from like November, earlier in the month. But you got interesting spot right here. This could be resistance, but the issue is this candle. It's just this one spot right here. I don't know. All right, now if you look here on the hourly, I mean, this definitely is an area of resistance, but also this isn't really that as much resistance as up here. So we might blow through this, and then this, you got a bunch of candles, bunch of choppy candles here. This might be the real area, or right here at this pivot, and which right up right here where this wick starts, or like in the middle here, and that just happens to be where the pivot point is. So I don't know. I don't know if we're at resistance here. We might keep pushing up. This is the stuff that I'm noticing, as I look, the more I look at the charts, you just start noticing shit. Like, that's how you get better as a trader is you just, and you might not see the same shit I see. You might be seeing something completely different, but it doesn't mean that that both of us can't win from what we see. But the more you look at this shit, the more you're going to notice things. And it's just a matter of executing and like being willing to take a shot and take a chance to see if it proves out, if it plays out, you know? You can back test all you want, but I think back testing is important. I don't really back test. I don't back test at all, actually. This is the most amount of back testing I do. I kind of just watch and see what happens with something that's like new to me. But look, there it goes. Like it's gonna keep going up. Maybe. I don't know. So I definitely cut into this fucking deficit a little bit more. This is so easy to work. This is nothing. Nothing. Nada. Zilch. Zippo. I just don't know if this is the right time to take a trade in either direction. We're in a spot that it could reject, but I'm not sure. It could go up another 15, 20 points. Actually, that's more like, fuck. That's more like 40 points. 44 points. Shit. I don't know. Shit. Oh, we're approaching a new hour also. Oh man, so tempting. So tempting. This shit is so fucking slow tonight. I just have a feeling it's because it's Thanksgiving week. What up, Marlon? What up, Marlon? Just chilling here, breathing and relaxing. Lots of breathing and relaxing. This shit is making me want to go to sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna hang out, see what this new hour does. If it gives us a little bit of volatility, I might fucking trade. Yeah, real slow night, man. Real slow night. It's like watching fucking paint dry. It hasn't been this bad in a while. It's been really good during the overnight. We had a little stretch where it was good. Like this was okay. This was okay. But like right here, all of this, like when we dropped 30 points and then we started bouncing, we came up and then we rejected again and then we bounced and it kind of just went off from there and then that was happening and then this happened. Just hour-long chop and we finally broke a little bit. What up, Trip Candy? I'm doing good. Doing good. Waiting for this new hour to drop to see if I want to take a trade. But I'm probably going to just call it a day. Trading View my Black Friday deal looks good, does it? Damn, the shit went up a little bit more. 3 whole points. I feel like I have another. I'm about to get fucking pinged for my. I got the annual plan. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. We got 40 seconds left. Let's see what happens here. What up, Donald Putin? Chilling, bro. Chilling. I'm starting to feel like I'm gonna pass out. So I do want to. I wouldn't mind taking another trade, but it's gotta. I gotta see more than what I've been seeing. This would have been a nice trade playing this bounce though for 13 points. I could have played that, got 13 points. I mean, obviously, in a perfect world, I would have gotten all 13, and that would have put me in the green. So I'm down 383 bucks. There's your new hour right there. Big move right there. Huge, huge move right there. Huge. Yeah, I'm fucking tired. I feel myself like falling asleep right now, and nothing's. I don't know. That's the other thing. Like, I've been working on in my evolution as a fucking degenerate prop firm trader is like, as much as I want to get this back right fucking now, this $383, I was down 786 and I got 400 of it back already. Like, I don't need to do it right this second. I don't even need to do it today. Although you guys saw me the other day fucking try to get $140 in my fucking take profit trader account and give all of my $2,800 of gains back and then another 500 bucks before I got what I wanted. But I was fucking heated. That's okay, Marlon. Excuse me. That's okay, man. It doesn't mean you know how it is. Doesn't mean you can't get it back. Maybe wait for New York to give you some bigger moves or cleaner moves. You know, usually the overnight is good. It's just been kind of just boring. It's been like a paint dry watching type of session. Like, look at this. This is a new hour, and it's like barely moving. Let me just do this one more fucking time because I'm paranoid now after what just happened. I don't think the price. I don't really think price is really going to move around all that much. Yeah, Marlins. Yeah, I mean, I don't blame you. I think today and tomorrow will be. Oh, look, it's fucking dropping. I think today and tomorrow will be okay. I don't think Wednesday's going to be anything crazy. Nice little drop right there. 8 points. Damn, nice little drop there. Probably gonna drop a bunch more. I don't know. I'm fucking tired. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a night. Maybe I could get 4.5 hours of sleep. Oh, trending world, you're catching me right as I'm getting off, bro. But yeah, I'm just starting to feel like I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep like right in front of the camera and just pass the fuck out. So I would have loved to have caught that, but I didn't know. Yeah, anything could happen in a new hour. Not even a huge move anyway. It's like 8 points. But either way, yeah, I'm gonna bounce. Smash the like button on your way out, guys. Yes, exactly, Trip Candy. That's the plan. Smash the like button on your way out. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my updates. I post update videos every day, basically, and I stream every single day during trading days. For New York, I trade power hour to and through close, so 3 p.m. to about 5 p.m. Eastern, and I also stream during the overnight, like I've been for the last couple of hours. No set time, but around London. So look for me. If you don't get the notification, but subscribe and hit the notification bell. Smash the like button. Join the Discord. Let me drop the link one more time. You still got your exit. Man, nice job, bro. Nice job, Dilzik. Way to fucking recover that shit. I'll see you guys. Look, it's bouncing again around the 34. Go figure. I'll see you guys again real soon. Thanks again. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thanks for hitting the super chat. Reggie Williams, I appreciate it. I'll see you guys soon. Have a good day if I don't see you. Peace.